What the fuck? Can you see? Holy shit.
Nope.
Those having the...
Oh,
Wait,
what is this?
what the hell is this?
What is this?
Wait, what the fuck?
Alright, hi everyone. Welcome back to a new episode here on IATV. So right now we're over here at Kusu Island to do some light rock fishing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just light rock fishing with small jig heads and soft plastics. So I'm gonna be combing the breakers and the lagoon and anywhere else where I think will hold some fish. Species today, just a lot of different types of reef fish. I don't think I'll be catching any pelagics because I'll be playing the bottom mostly and just hopping my soft plastics in between the rocks and seeing what I can catch. So I'll update you guys on what type of tackle I have once I actually get situated at the fishing spot. So I'll catch you guys in a few seconds. Woohoo!
It's not big.
Not big.
Oh my god, it's like legit size.
But is it?
It's like tighter.
Oh, it's
not like the...
Not a bad size.
It's actually small. What the hell?
Hello, Mr. Todak. Mugam. It's a blue hind. All right. Little blue hind on the IA 1.1 inch Alito. This is fun. Nice. Haha! I caught another Armugam. Just want to give you some tips and tricks that are working for me. Right now I'm using I think it's PE 0.8 line. So I'm using a lighter leader up to 8 pounds so that when I do get my jig head stuck inside the rocks, I will break away my leader first. So it's less time retying your FG knots or your uni knots and more time in the water. So I think so far I've caught 2 Aramugams and I've filmed Edric over here catching a Todak, but I'm gonna continue fishing and trying to find some different species for you guys to see.
Okay guys, this is on the IA Ikan Bilis. Get my guard grip first. I drink this one, you're gonna eat now.
What the? Oh, he really ate the Ikan Bilis.
Look at that. Nice size stood up on the IA Ikan Bilis. Good stuff.
And what color is this?
This is a white Ikan Bilis.
Wow, nice. What the? Okay, wait. Let me finish tying my FG so I can try. A nice chocolate hind on the IA 1.5 inch Sagai Slapper. That's quite cool. It is a really tiny one, guys. Let's go and take him off the hook. See ya. Small little guy, throw him back. That is a rock. Alright guys, so this is a common occurrence here where you get stuck in the rocks. Sometimes you get it out, sometimes you don't. This one does not feel like it's coming out. So we're just gonna burst. Yes, fish on. It's another aromugam. Let me guess, combing the bottom, bouncing the bottom with the rubber. It's gonna bring me a chocolate hind. Oh, it's a mini chocolate hind. See this? It's like pinky size. He really is the size of my pinky, guys. Okay, let's get the hook out and then go and release him. See ya.
Oh, tidak makin dah. Makin buka. Apa nak buka dia? Oh. Size?
Yup, decent.
Let's just put the iPhone.
Yes, go on. Yes, it's something other than an armugam.
So I can ride every.
On the IA 1.5 inch Ikan Bilis. Yes, finally, it took me a while. Awesome. What's the name of this fish, guys? It's a chilling king, huh?
Butterfly whiptail.
Butterfly whiptail. Okay, awesome. Can I just show it to the camera?
Mr. Wong's favorite fish. Right on it.
His enemy. Nice. Here's the fish, guys. Butterfly whiptail.
Rest on the IA Ikan Bilis 1.5 inch.
So I just want to let you guys know what's been working for me here today at Kusu. Now I just had a bite. I'm not really like the expert at light rock fishing, but I've been using the 1.5 inch Ikan Bilis today, and it's been giving me the most hits when I'm trying to find these fish that are hiding in the rocks and the corals. out at this particular location, so you can pan out and see. But yeah, as you can see here, just now I missed the bite, and they're reacting pretty well to this twin tail kind of Ikan Bilis shaped soft plastic. Bring it back on, and then cast it back out. And I'll show you guys how I'm actually trying to fish it. Just give it a cast. Then I'm allowing it to sink all the way down. I am using, it's a 2-gram jig head, right, this one?
Yeah.
So I am using like a 2-gram jig head, so it takes a while for it to actually sink to the bottom. But once I'm there, all I'm doing is I am just giving it very slight twitches with my rod without actually reeling.
Want to show that again?
Yeah, sure. So I'm just getting the tension inside the line and then just twitching it without actually retrieving first. And this will attract fish such as the butterfly whiptail, seleng-cheng fish, which I caught today. So that's really cool. And then of course your arumugams. But the thing is, when you guys are doing this, you're gonna get stuck a lot of times. So just be wary about it. And if you are getting annoyed that you have to retie your FG or retie your knots, do use a much lighter leader in front of your main line. But mine is still a bit too thick, and I'm still breaking off at my main line, so I've been tying FGs like the whole day. But I'm still having fun despite all that. Okay, so if you guys are wondering and you guys do come to Kusu and you keep getting stuck, I'm gonna show you a few clips of what you might be getting stuck inside, because there are a lot of these small rocks and small corals about this big, and they're all over the place. So once you let it sink, you are likely to get stuck in one of these. So I'm gonna roll in those clips now for you guys to see, and you can kind of get a feel for what it looks like outside when you're actually fishing. Wow, actually that toe deck is looking pretty good, huh, Edric?
It does look pretty good.
It's like very white meat.
It's very white.
I thought they were normally like quite grey.
Yeah, I was surprised how white it is also.
So right now, as you can see here, he's like removing the bloodline. Although the fish is small, so is the bloodline. So he's removing that piece so it doesn't taste like very fishy. So I'll be the judge of that, I guess. We need to clean the board, so we're going to do that off camera. I mean, I'll just show you guys. So we have some salt water here and we have some boiling salt water over there. So we're just gonna wash the fish and the board with some of this that's not hot. Give it a good wipe. Clean all the fish first, clean your hands.
Well, this looks damn good. Look at this.
Very clean.
Very clean, right?
Looks nice.
Looks good.
So our chef slash fishmonger Edric over here, who has done this before clearly, because he's done a pretty good job. So we have 4 different species on our little cutting board that we have. In your top right area, we have the toadek, which looks pretty good to me. Also known as what? The houndfish, right? Then in the center here, the grayish looking one is actually the Spanish flag. So I don't know how I feel about that one. And on the left, we have the seleng-cheng, also known as the butterfly whiptail. This one to me, like I can see that there's some blood all the way throughout the meat here. So I don't know how this one's gonna taste, but I'm still gonna try it anyway. I'm gonna let you guys know. And at the bottom here, we have the big eye wrasse. But the actual name for this fish is the monocle bream. So out of the 4 different species we have, to me, before even letting Edric actually prepare it properly so I can taste it, these 2 look the best. One being the toadek and the other one being the monocle bream. So I'm gonna let you guys know. So give us a few seconds to prepare everything, and then I'll get back to you guys.
Okay. Get ready. Done.
Crunchy.
Sweet.
Okay. Not bad. No fishy taste. I try a bigger piece, huh? I'll go a bit daring here.
Wasabi.
Dip in the soy sauce a bit. This little todak. The meat looks nice and clean. Yeah. That's okay also. Not fishy at all. I don't know about the selengcheng over there though. Yo. Not bad.
Not bad, right?
Not
I'm
bad.
surprised, yeah. First time.
Guess what? The monocle bream. I'm gonna try this one next. Mr. Monocle bream. Also very. The flesh is quite white.
Oh.
Okay, this is so much better than the Toda pen. Wow.
Wow.
Even though I said there's no fishy taste in the Todak, right? There's really no fishy taste in the monocle bream.
Good.
Wow. It's so nice.
It's good shit.
And it's so soft also. It's not very sweet. It's not like salty or anything. It's just like that. No, you can have that piece. So we save the worst for last, or what we think is the worst, huh?
No, still got good.
Okay, I don't mind trying this one first. It's what, the Spanish flag. Okay, let's see. Dip a bit. This one is just too soft.
It's mush.
Yeah,
Right.
it's like,
Too tender already.
yeah.
But it's okay.
There's no crunch to this one. It's just too soft. No fishy taste also. Pretty nice.
Okay, let's go for the
I don't know about that one, man. I don't know.
faster lah.
Okay, wait. Let me drink some green tea.
Thanks the palate. I also want to test my palate.
Before I eat this, I look like the fishiest one. Okay, last one is this Setengcheng, also known as the what? The butterfly whiptail. I don't know about this one. Just dip a bit.
Oh, not too bad.
Okay,
It's definitely the worst, but
yeah.
it's not the best. But it's not too bad.
Nah, I don't like that.
Nah,
No, it's like mushy but crunchy at the same time.
no, texture is just
No.
weird. The rock's okay.
I don't mind this one. Okay, back to this. Okay, note for next time, more monocle bream, please. Yeah, can take that one back home.
I'm good.
Okay, no bad, sir. I know why you enjoyed doing this last time. I'm impressed. But more monocle bream if I come next time. Thank you.
It's not even the best one yet.
Ah, that's not the best one. What's the best one?
Goldfish.
Goatfish. Okay, if we ever come back here, we will try this again, but with only goatfish. Goatfish and maybe monocle bream also. And then we can compare the two and which one's the best in my
I
eyes.
think got the soulfish or
Oh,
something.
soulfish best. Soulfish.
Soulfish. Is that like a flounder?
Yeah, the fat fish.
Okay. But yeah, that's our Kusu trip. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Something different. There were a few fish landed today. Many snags. And of course our, what do you want to call this? Sashimi platter. Very good. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.